Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to refinance your auto loan with Ali to secure lower rates, you've come to the right place. Refinancing can help you reduce monthly payments and save on interest, but the process can seem daunting. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to successfully refinance your auto loan with Ali. Step 1. Review your current loan details. Begin by gathering the necessary details about your current auto loan. This includes your loan balance, interest rate, payment history, and any fees associated with your loan. Understanding these details will help you assess whether refinancing is a beneficial move for you. Step 2. Check your credit score. Your credit score plays a pivotal role in the refinancing process. Check your credit report to understand your current credit standing. If your score has improved since you initially took out your loan, you may qualify for a lower interest rate. Step 3. Research Ali's refinancing options. Visit Ali's website and explore their refinancing options. They offer competitive rates and flexible terms. Look for specific requirements they may have, such as minimum credit score and loan amount, to ensure you meet their criteria. Step 4. Get pre-qualified. Before formally applying for refinancing, consider getting pre-qualified with Ali. This process typically requires some basic information about your financial situation and the vehicle. Pre-qualification gives you an idea of the rates you might receive without affecting your credit score. Step 5. Gather necessary documentation. Once you decide to move forward, prepare the required documentation for the refinancing application. This may include proof of income, vehicle information, and proof of residency. Having your paperwork organized will expedite the application process. Step 6. Complete the application. Fill out the refinancing application on Ali's website. During this process, you will submit the gathered documents and provide any necessary information about your financial history. Make sure to review your application for accuracy before submission. Step 7. Review and accept your offer. After your application is processed, Ali will provide you with an offer detailing the new loan terms, interest rate, and monthly payment amount. Carefully review this offer. If it meets your expectations and financial goals, proceed with acceptance. Step 8. Finalize the loan. Once you accept the offer, Ali will guide you through the final steps to complete the refinancing. They may require additional signatures or documents. After everything is finalized, your new loan will pay off the previous loan and you'll start making payments on the new loan. Step 9. Set up your new payment plan. After refinancing, make sure you set up your payment plan to avoid missing any payments. You can choose to automate your payments through Ali's online banking system for ease and convenience. Now that you're armed with these steps, refinancing your auto loan with Ali can be a straightforward process. Take the time to explore your options, and you might find a lower rate that significantly benefits your finances. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and guides.